everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Peachy Fresh. Actually, I'm just gonna get started. Let's go ahead and get started. Today I decided I wanted to try these jumbo twists that I saw on either Instagram or Pinterest. I've never done this hairstyle before. It seems pretty simple. It's just 4 twists. And it was really cute, so I figured, hey, let me go ahead and give this a try. I wouldn't say this is necessarily a tutorial, but definitely follow along to see the steps that I take in order to achieve the look that I get. I'm going to be using some of the hair from my last video, the ponytail video, depending on which one blends better with my hair. So as y'all can see, my hair right now is obviously a lighter color than it was before. I have my dark roots, which I still have my dark roots. I wish that she would have lightened my roots a little bit more, but we were kind of like on a time crunch or whatever. So we're gonna go ahead and, hold on, just a second. All right, there we go. So yeah, I'm gonna part my hair down the middle and then I'm gonna part it down the side. So I'm just gonna be 2 in the front, 2 in the back, and it's gonna be like 4 big jumbo twists. And I'll put up on the screen kind of like my inspiration for it. I literally saw one photo and I was like, oh, that's super cute. So I wanted to go ahead and try it out. Let's go ahead and, my hair's already parted, but let me see. Ooh, I kind of look like I'm going bald right there. I gotta do the back, which I can't see the back, but we're just gonna wing it. Hopefully it doesn't look bad. What do y'all think? What does the back look like? Am I straight? Or is it crooked? I'm gonna go check. Oh, hold on, wait. I feel like I'm messing up. Is that straight? I don't know. I can't tell. All right, so now that we got this side, I'm gonna go ahead and put this side away for now. And I'm gonna go ahead and part this. Sorry, I got all my stuff right here on the, I gotta get it. I'm working on getting my whole living room situated. Previously, I was working from home. I'm not working from home anymore, so my living room space is very incomplete. It's honestly been incomplete since I got here, but that's another story. So I'm working on my new living room space. It's gonna be like a dual space, YouTube studio / living room. Previously it was my office, so this space is gonna be multi-purpose, hopefully more of a relaxed environment versus what it was before. Let me try to multitask and do 2 things at once. And if you know me, then you know that I'm not the greatest at multitasking. Black hair ties, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use one of these little hair ties to secure. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and just spritz this a little bit and detangle just a bit. I'm gonna use some Eco Style. This is just the black castor and flaxseed gel. and I'm gonna put that on my roots. Ponytails. The parts aren't perfect, but it is what it is. So next, what we're going to do is go ahead and detangle these a little bit more and get our pieces of hair. We're going to go ahead and attach our 4 pieces, and that is going to be the final look. But right now I have either this hair that we had last time. Like I said, I have leftover hair from getting my hair braided. This is the T1B33 Rasta 3. And we also have the, what is this? Easy Braid Professional Spectra in TB1 900. And this one has a little bit of a red. So I'm thinking that this is not gonna blend well with my hair because red and blonde don't really go, but we can try to put it in and see if it works. If not, then we're just gonna stick with this one. I'm just gonna do this one for now and see how it works. Hopefully the way in which I put this in is similar to the picture that you guys saw. I didn't really watch any tutorials on how to do this hair. I literally watched like one clip of her doing the twist. So hopefully it works. This hair here that I actually already opened in, this brown, blonde, I don't know. It's just gonna have to work for today. So it's basically, so I did the braid. These are gonna be more like twists, and I'm wondering how big of sections I should go. I'm not really sure. Like, does look like enough for like these two? Let's go ahead and try it out and see if it goes. Oh, cause she hid this part of the hair. I think I'm gonna just twist it like that. There we go. And then I'm just gonna use my own hair to braid this or to twist it. Twist it, it's gonna be like a mini, yeah, there we go. Okay, there we go, there we go. See, I'm doing this as I go. I feel like hers was more of a braid look than a twist look. This looks cute. We're gonna have to secure the ends with something. And my hair is long enough so it kind of goes. I wonder if I should keep it untwisted at the bottom. No, I should definitely twist it more. Let's see. Maybe the way that I was cutting it looked weird, that's why. Okay. How does that look? Cute? Okay, we getting somewhere. Oh, really? This is literally a whim. I just saw the picture and decided I wanted to do this look. So if your hair is long enough like mine, then this probably hairstyle will work. If it's shorter, you can just use thicker pieces of hair to create a thicker braid or twist or whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this side and show y'all. I mean, you already seen what I did already, but let's do like I did on the other side. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this around the ponytail holder so you can kind of like so. We're gonna split this in half. And we're gonna, oh, excuse you, what is you doing? You're supposed to stay secure. Okay, so obviously we need to finesse this a little bit. Okey-doke. This one looks thicker, but that's whatever. And then we just need to do the back, and that's gonna be it. And these are like actually pretty like thick. Did y'all watch my last video? Anyways, okay, so that was not the final look. This is gonna be the final look. I forgot that I have these little gold jewels, and I can just go ahead and pop these in really quickly. And then once I pop these in, it'll be the final look. I was gonna throw on some makeup, but y'all, my skills are not there yet. Like, I'm learning, but my makeup skills are just very mediocre, and they're to the point where it's almost low-key embarrassing. So I'm gonna throw some makeup on and be looking all kind of crazy. I just throw on a couple hundred filters like these girls be doing out here. This also is giving me low-key Britney Spears Hit Me Baby One More Time vibes when she was in her little schoolgirl uniform. Was that, am I quoting that right? Britney Spears? I think so. Oops, I did it again. Okay, never sing because, girl, you suck. You suck. All right, one more little Julie, and we out this hoe. All right, y'all, that is going to be the final look. Like I said, hopefully you guys learned something from this video. I kind of just, I guess, had some inspiration and want to go ahead and try this out. I'm sure there's a ton of other tutorials on how to do this hairstyle specifically, but it's really simple. All you can do is just use your own natural hair. Go ahead and grab you some, fake braiding hair, put that in your hair and just twist it up. Probably find a technique on how to attach the hair properly to your ponytail. But other than that, I think I did a pretty good job. I really think this looks super cute, and I could go out and like rock this somewhere. I don't know where I'm going. We still in quarantine, sorta, kinda. I don't know what's going on in the world, but yeah. I mean, I do know, but I don't know at the same time. Anyways, thank y'all so much for tuning into this video. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share these videos with your friends and family, and stay tuned for my next video. Peace.